remote controls for everybody. Now, the idea of coming up here, the idea is that I'm watching television, flicking between the channels. I'm going to flick with the buzzer. And the performers are each on different programs and on the different channels that I flick through. Greg, you are Ricky Lake. Wayne, you're a Spanish game show. Colin, you are Wrestling SmackDown. Ryan, you're the Crocodile Hunter. And whenever I buzz you, you're going to switch channels. Now, what I need from the audience for this is a suggestion for a barnyard animal. Cow. Got cow, sorry. We're doing cow. Cow, cow, cow. The subject you're all talking about is the cow, starting with Greg.
Today on the show, bovine and the women who love them and leave them. We have a lot of bulls in the audience here today, and a lot of heifers. I got something to say, Ricky.
Colin.
That cow comes anywhere near me, it's gonna be hamburger! You're not getting this belt, you cow!
Wayne.
Damas y caballeros, Héctor Sánchez. Gracias. Bienvenido, Mu. Sí. Problemas on the one. Mu. Ay, qué bueno.
Ryan.
Right, I'm gonna be very careful while approaching this wild, beautiful beast. If I get one shot of milk in my eyes, it could be deadly.
Colin.
Oh, man! Ref, she squirted me! She squirted me!
Wayne.
Sí. Número uno. Hamburguesa con queso. Sí. Número uno, quiere Mu.
Ryan.
Isn't she a beauty? There's not many of these lovelies around anymore. They're disappearing by the hundreds every year. I'm gonna send my wife to do the really dangerous work.
Greg.
We'll be back tomorrow on the show.
Wayne.
Ay. Gracias. No tiempo para mañana. Más Mu. Gracias. Muy gracias.
$1,000 points apiece, especially the Colin. But great wrestling rendition.